Hello? Can you see me? Oh, yes, I forgot my creator. He's a dumbass who doesn't know how to animate a robot. Anyways, my name is Revo and I'll be your tour guide. Please continue to the stairs and don't fall. Nice view, right? Actually, they're all prefabs, so don't give my creator all the credit. I wonder what happens if you touch the statue in the center. Right one. Now let's touch first the rock on the left, and then let's touch the one on the right. Whoa, nice one, you're grooving, yeah! Well, that's enough. Now let's go to the port. What about fish that makes humans go so crazy? Okay, human. I'm bored. It's time to go back home. Please climb the stairs. Yes! You made it! Great job!
Never thought you would make it, but... well, here we are.